A massive commitment of Fianna Fáil and government is to deliver for farm families and to put farm family incomes at the centre of all we do. So I was delighted this morning to launch a common agricultural policy co-funding commitment from the government, which will be 50% higher for this 7-year period up to between now and 2027 than it was from the period from 2014 to 2020. Basically, the increase will be from 1.9 billion previously over 7 years to 2.9 billion now, which is a 50% increase. And what that means is we'll be able to deliver a flagship agri-environmental scheme to follow on from GLASS, AOS and the REP scheme that went before that, with a maximum payment of up to €10,000. Also, we'll have significant support for our suckler herd through a payment of €150 per cow on the first 10 and €120 for all remaining. We'll also have very significant investment in there, an increase for TAMS, on-farm investment, significant increase for organic farming, also very strong funding for ANC, also for our sheep and knowledge transfer. All in all, this represents this government's massive commitment to underpinning farm family incomes and to ensuring that as we address that environmental challenge and climate change challenge that we have in the years ahead, that food production remains central to that, but also that farmers are paid and have income streams available to them to enable them to make that contribution that they want to do and that they will do in the years ahead to addressing the environmental and biodiversity challenges we have as well.
So I very much welcome today's funding announcement, in particular the organic scheme. It is increased from 56 million to 256 million in this CAP budget. So this is really important. It's going to bring in so many more farmers into organic scheme. That's an increase from 3% of farmers to 7%. That's a very, very welcome news for all farmers in this country.
I want to really welcome the announcement of the deal today, in particular in respect of the environmental scheme, which is going to show an increase of payment up to €10,000. And this is hugely important, in particular for the young farmers in my constituency in Meath, because not only are they going to actually meet their environmental challenges, it's going to help deliver real incomes for them as well.